Today I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to your Google Ads account. This is an essential step for running any ad campaign, as Google needs a valid payment method on file before your ads can go live. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns and account settings. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation bar. Locate the option labeled Billing and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all payment-related settings for your account. Once you click on Billing, the menu will expand to show you several options related to payments and transactions. From this expanded menu, locate the option that says Payment Methods and click on it. This is where Google stores all the payment information you've linked to your account, including any debit or credit cards you've previously added. When the Payment Methods page loads, you'll see a list of all the payment accounts currently linked to your Google Ads account. These are typically debit and credit cards you've used in the past. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a link that says Add Payment Method. Go ahead and click on it. A small window will pop up titled Add a Payment Method. This is where you'll enter your new card details. Start by typing in your card number, expiration date, and security code in the fields provided. As you begin entering your information, you'll notice that the window expands to reveal additional fields. These fields are for your billing address and are required by Google to verify your payment method. You'll see fields for your address line, city, state, or province, postal code, and country. Take your time to fill in all the required address fields accurately. Google uses this information to match your card details with your billing address, so make sure everything is correct to avoid any payment issues down the line. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and double-check that everything looks accurate, click on the Save button at the bottom of the window. Google will process the information and add your new payment method to your account. You should see it appear in your list of linked payment accounts. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method to your Google Ads account, and you're now ready to start running your campaigns without any payment interruptions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.